Okay, there's a spider web here, and there's a spider. Look at that. That's the spider. So I'll try to get some photos of this. The spider is having his breakfast. Hi everyone, Richard here. Look what I have. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, not the Ultra. This is the Note 20, and I've got hold of this for myself. Why did I get this Samsung Galaxy Note 20 instead of the Ultra? Because I like it small. Simple as that. The Ultra is extremely huge. The other thing is because this is the last Note, the last Samsung Galaxy Note. According to the rumors, there won't be any more Samsung Galaxy Note series, starting with the S21 series, which can use an S Pen on it. So there won't be any more Notes coming out because they are trying to streamline it to the S series. So this is the last Note. That's why I got it. It's time for upgrade. So I've already taken out the phone, and one of the other reason is you can see the box is here. It's nothing much there, just menu, not even a case. So the SIM ejector is there, lots of menus here, no casing, and nothing there. And what's important is, starting with S21, there's no power brake. So this Note 20 still have power brake, and I'm happy with that. And as well as the charging cable, which is Type C to Type C charging cable, and headphones, which the new Samsungs won't have. And now I'm happy because now I've got my full set. As you can see, this is the Note 20, and I did set it up. Hopefully it reaches my thumb because none of my thumbs work on any screen. It works better on the side button, like the Sony's. But okay, there, it finally worked. Okay, the reason why I got this is because I'm using a Note 8. So this is my Note 8, and this is the Note 20. You can see the size similarities there. You can see the size is similar there. So that's one of the reasons why I just use back the Note 20 instead of the Ultra, right? Because I prefer this size, and this is much lighter. I'll put the full specs. I've got the Exynos model. This is the Note 20 5G, which I'm very fortunate to get hold of at very good discounted price, because S21 was launched, and then this was the price drop. There's a reason why I bought this, because I'm worried they're not going to come out with another one, so I might as well just get hold of this. One of the other reason is the screen is flat. It reminds me of my Note 5. So I prefer flat screen anytime, because I'm an S Pen user, you see. But I don't like the way they move the S Pen onto the left side, because I'm a right side used to it. So S Pen, give me S Pen, and give me Liberty, right? So and then the cameras. So the Note doesn't have wide angle camera. That's one of the reasons why Note 8 doesn't have a wide angle camera. And this is 3 cameras. I've been going around testing it out. I'll show some photos after this. This is not a full review, just basically a hands-on. And one of the reasons why I've got this as opposed to the Ultra size and weight, and because I love plastic bag. Starting with all the first Notes, Note 2, Note 1, Note 3, Note 4, it's all plastic bags. I prefer the plastic any day. Okay, so this color been waiting for this color. This color is hard to get as well, and it's just right. So this is my usage time. I've been installing the app, slowly transferring some of my files over. It's been since 2 days since the last charge, but hardly using it. The real screen on time is not much because a lot of file transferring and installing the apps. I'm doing it manually. I didn't do direct transfer because I don't want my junk from the Note 8 to come over. I'm selecting what I want because many years of files and junk in the Note 8, so I must as well just do this. Good thing is it's got large storage space, 256 GB for this model, which is more than sufficient for me to take lots of photos. And this is how it's been going. Nothing much with this. I like this phone as it is. Don't really care what people say about Note 20. You know, that is not good, or it's a waste to be a plastic bag, and it's all nonsense. Just buy the phones that you like and that suits you. So I've been a Note user for a long time, so I obviously will be going back to a Note. So before showing you some photos from this camera that I took recently, I need a case, right? This just arrived today, and I'm so grateful that it came on time, so I need to unbox it for y'all. It's an ESR case which has a kickstand. That's what I want. I want something with a kickstand. So this is a metal kickstand, real aluminum type kickstand, so it won't snap off, right? So this is what I want to showcase. It's beautiful. Thick, goes up to the edge, and that's how you put it on. Let's go in, and that's how it looks like. Right, beautiful covering the camera bump as well, and it's extruded here, so when you put it on, it's not touching the surface, right? So this is good. And then on top of that, I can watch my shows this way, read my news this way, as well as you angle it this way, you can stand it up vertical as well. Beautiful, right? So that's all I have to show on the Note 20. The specs, this is the Exynos model 5G, and I'll go on to more detail later on when I'm going through all the settings and the specs as well in the benchmark test and everything. Just quick hands-on, and I'm going to show you some photographs, videos I've taken on the road, on the park, where I went to the park and have a look. So go to the photos and videos. So this is the Note 20, recording at 4K 30 frames a second. This is the wide angle lens, and that's how it looks like. I wonder if it's stable. So this is the main lens, and that's the 3x zoom. There you have it. And then there's the back to main lens, and then there's the wide angle lens. Okay, there's a spider web here, and there's a spider. Look at that. That's the spider. So I'll try to get some photos of this. The spider is having his breakfast. Seriously, this is nice view. You're getting the spider having his breakfast, and you can't snap it because you don't have a proper DSLR or mirrorless. But that's the spider, and let's see how close I can get to him. Still focusing, and there's his breakfast in the morning. So this is a quick look at the Samsung Note 20, the last Note. There's no more Note after this. Apparently they're sticking to S21, and the price is good. I'll leave a description link at the description and where I got this, as well as the case. The price is good now because it's even lower than S21. You can get this at a good price. So, and it's 5G as well, and the size is great. The weight is good. It's coming from a full Note user. I have many versions of the Note series, except the Note 7, which too bad for that. I wanted to get that, but they don't want to sell to me. So, and this is going to be my last Samsung Galaxy Note, I presume. Okay, tech for all just showed up there. So this should be the last Galaxy Note. They're shifting everything to the S20 series, S21 series. Hopefully they would come up with a newer one later on. And I'll leave a description in the links, okay? So do follow me on my next video. I hope you like the videos and photographs. Do follow me on my next video where I do more detail in depth on this. And have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye, everyone.